Welcome back to the classroom. Your computer may be infected with malware, spyware, or ransomware, and you might not even know it. Today, we're looking at Emsisoft Emergency Kit, a powerful, free, and portable malware removal tool that could save your system. Stick around to learn how it works and why it's a must-have for every PC user. Emsisoft Emergency Kit is a portable anti-malware tool designed to detect and remove viruses, spyware, ransomware, and other cyber threats. Unlike traditional antivirus software, it doesn't need to be installed. It runs directly from a USB drive or any external storage device, making it ideal for emergency malware scans. One of its standout features is that it works alongside your existing antivirus software without causing conflicts. This means you can use it as an extra layer of security or a second opinion whenever you suspect an infection. Now let's walk through how to download, install, and run a malware scan using Emsisoft Emergency Kit. Step 1. Download the Emergency Kit from Emsisoft's official website. We'll also toss a download link in the video description for you. Once downloaded, extract the files to a USB drive or your desktop. Step 2. Open the Emsisoft Emergency Kit scanner and click Scan. You can choose between a quick scan, full scan, or custom scan, depending on your situation. Step 3. Wait for the scan to complete. If malware is detected, Emsisoft will provide an option to quarantine or delete the threats. Click Remove to clean your PC. And just like that, your PC is malware-free. Emsisoft Emergency Kit is a powerful security tool, but like all softwares, it has its own strengths and weaknesses. Let's take a look at these now. Pros. It's 100% free with no hidden costs. It's portable and lightweight, no installation required. It works alongside other security software without interference. It removes viruses, trojans, spyware, and more. Cons. There's no real-time protection, so it's not a replacement for a full antivirus. It requires manual updates before scanning. It can be a little on the slower side in scanning. While it doesn't replace a full antivirus, it's an excellent backup tool for handling emergency infection scans or for that secondary checkup. Emsisoft Emergency Kit is a must-have tool in your toolbox for anyone concerned about malware infections. It's completely free, doesn't require installation, and is highly effective at removing threats. So if you're dealing with a suspiciously slow PC, unexpected pop-ups, or strange behavior, run a scan with Emsisoft. It could save your data and keep your computer secure. And there you have it. A quick overview of Emsisoft Emergency Kit. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Also, let us know in the comments, what's your go-to malware removal tool? See you next time in the classroom. Bye-bye, everybody.